Welcome to the wonderful world of pet photography. If you have a passion for pets and an eye for capturing their adorable moments, starting a pet photography business could be your ticket to turning your hobby into a lucrative venture. With more and more people treating their furry friends as cherished family members, there is a growing demand for professional pet photographers who can capture those precious memories in stunning images. In this video, we will explore the exciting realm of earning money with a pet photography business. We'll delve into the benefits of venturing into this niche market, discuss the essential equipment you need to get started, share tips on how to effectively market your services, and even offer insights on setting up your very own pet photography studio. So grab your camera and let's embark on this paw-some journey together. But first, let's take a closer look at what exactly constitutes pet photography. What is pet photography? Pet photography is the art of capturing the unique personalities and adorable moments of our beloved furry companions. It goes beyond simply taking snapshots. It's about creating lasting memories that showcase the true essence of these lovable creatures. Whether you're photographing a mischievous kitten, a majestic horse, or a loyal canine companion, pet photography allows you to freeze those precious moments in time. One of the key aspects of pet photography is patience. Pets can be unpredictable and have their own agenda during photo shoots. It requires skill and a keen eye to capture their natural expressions and behaviors. A successful pet photographer knows how to connect with animals, making them feel comfortable in front of the camera. Every pet has its own unique charm, and as a pet photographer, your job is to bring out their personality through your lens. From playful antics to soulful gazes, capturing these authentic moments can truly tug at heartstrings. Whether you choose outdoor sessions or prefer studio setups, there are endless possibilities when it comes to creative compositions for pet photography. You can experiment with different angles, lighting techniques, and props to create captivating images that tell compelling stories. In addition to traditional portrait-style shots, many clients also seek candid photographs that reflect their pets' everyday lives, whether it's lounging on the couch or playing in the park. These candid shots add depth and authenticity to your portfolio. No matter what type of animal you're photographing, from domestic pets like cats and dogs to exotic animals like reptiles or birds, each session presents its own set of challenges and rewards. As a pet photographer, you have an opportunity not only to capture stunning images but also build relationships with both human clients who adore their pets as well as their four-legged counterparts themselves. The benefits of starting a pet photography business. Starting a pet photography business can offer numerous benefits that make it an appealing venture for any animal lover with a passion for photography. One of the key advantages is the opportunity to combine two passions, pets and photography, into one fulfilling career. This allows you to do what you love while earning money. Additionally, the demand for professional pet photographers is steadily increasing as more people view their pets as beloved family members. Pet owners are always looking for ways to capture precious moments with their furry friends, creating a consistent market for pet photography services. Moreover, running your own business gives you the freedom and flexibility to set your own schedule and work on your terms. You have control over pricing, client interactions, and creative direction. This independence allows you to tailor your services to meet the unique needs of each individual client. Furthermore, working with animals brings immense joy and satisfaction. Capturing their personalities on camera can be both challenging and rewarding at the same time. Each photo session presents an opportunity to connect with different animals and create lasting memories for their owners. Starting a pet photography business offers a chance to turn your passion into profit while enjoying flexibility in your work schedule. The growing demand for professional pet photographers ensures a steady stream of clients seeking beautiful images of their beloved companions. With creativity and dedication, This venture has great potential for success in both monetary rewards and personal fulfillment. The equipment you need to get started. When starting a pet photography business, having the right equipment is essential to capture stunning images of our furry friends. Here are some must-have tools that will help you get started. First and foremost, invest in a high-quality camera. A digital single-lens reflex (DSLR) camera with interchangeable lenses is ideal for capturing detailed and professional-looking photos. Make sure to choose a camera with good low-light performance and fast autofocus capabilities. Next, consider investing in a variety of lenses. A wide-angle lens can be great for capturing group shots or environmental portraits, while a telephoto lens allows you to zoom in close to capture intricate details or candid moments without disturbing the animal. A sturdy tripod is another important piece of equipment. It helps stabilize your camera, especially when shooting in low-light conditions or using slower shutter speeds. This ensures sharp images without any blurriness. Additionally, lighting plays a crucial role in pet photography. Natural light is often the best option as it provides soft and flattering illumination. However, having external flashes or studio lights can be beneficial for indoor shoots or when additional lighting is needed. Don't forget about accessories such as memory cards with ample storage capacity and extra batteries to keep shooting uninterrupted during longer sessions. Having the right equipment not only enhances your ability to capture beautiful pet photos but also demonstrates professionalism to potential clients. So make sure you invest wisely so you can deliver exceptional results. How to market your pet photography business. One of the key elements to success in any business is effective marketing, and a pet photography business is no exception. To stand out from the competition and attract clients, you need to develop a solid marketing strategy. Here are some tips on how to market your pet photography business. 1. Build an online presence. Create a professional website showcasing your portfolio, services, and contact information. Utilize social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook to share your work and engage with potential clients. 2. Leverage word of mouth. Encourage satisfied clients to spread the word about your services by offering referral incentives or discounts for their next session. 3. Collaborate with local businesses. Partnering with pet-related businesses such as groomers, veterinarians, or pet stores can help expand your reach and generate new leads. 4. Attend events. Set up a booth at local pet expos or community fairs where you can showcase your work and connect with pet owners face-to-face. 5. Offer special promotions. Create limited-time offers or seasonal packages to entice new customers and encourage repeat bookings. 6. Network within the industry. Join professional organizations related to photography or pets, attend networking events, and build relationships with fellow photographers who may refer clients they cannot accommodate. Remember that consistency is key when it comes to marketing efforts. Stay active online, regularly update your portfolio, interact with followers on social media platforms, and always provide exceptional service that exceeds client expectations. Setting up a pet photography studio. Setting up a pet photography studio is an exciting step towards establishing your business and capturing beautiful moments with furry friends. Here are some key aspects to consider when setting up your own pet photography studio. You'll need a dedicated space that is comfortable for both pets and their owners. It should be well lit with natural light or adjustable lighting options to ensure high-quality photos. Consider investing in backdrops and props that can add variety and enhance the overall aesthetic of your images. Next, having the right equipment is crucial. A good DSLR camera with a variety of lenses will allow you to capture different angles and perspectives. Additionally, invest in sturdy tripods, reflectors, and diffusers to achieve professional-looking shots. Creating a welcoming atmosphere is essential for putting pets at ease during the session. Set up cozy bedding or blankets where they can relax while waiting for their turn in front of the camera. Have treats on hand as rewards for good behavior. This not only helps keep them engaged but also builds trust between you and your furry subjects. Consider offering additional services such as grooming facilities or dressing rooms to help clients prepare their pets before the shoot. This extra convenience will make clients more likely to choose your studio over competitors. Don't forget about safety. Ensure that any potentially harmful items are securely stored away from curious paws, using non-toxic cleaning products throughout the space. By taking these factors into consideration when setting up your pet photography studio, you can create an environment that allows pets to feel comfortable while producing stunning photographs that capture their unique personalities. Tips for taking great pet photos. Pets are full of energy and can be quite unpredictable, making it a challenge to capture the perfect shot. However, with some patience and these tips, you can take stunning photos of your furry friends. 1. Get down to their level. Instead of shooting from above, crouch down or lie on the ground to photograph pets at eye level. This will create a more intimate and engaging perspective. 2. Use natural light. Avoid using flash as it can startle animals and result in unnatural-looking photos. Opt for natural light whenever possible. Shoot outdoors or near a window with soft, diffused light. 3. Capture their personality. Pets have unique personalities just like humans do. Try to capture their quirks and expressions by being ready with your camera at all times. 4. Be patient. Patience is key when photographing pets. Allow them time to get comfortable in front of the camera before clicking away. Take breaks if needed. 5. Reward them. Treats or toys can help grab your pet's attention and encourage cooperation during the photo session. 6. Focus on the eyes. The eyes are often referred to as the windows to the soul. This holds true for pets too. Ensure that their eyes are sharp and in focus. This will add depth and emotion to your photographs. 7. Experiment with angles and perspectives. Don't be afraid to try different angles. Get up close for detailed shots or experiment with wide-angle views for an interesting composition. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep snapping away until you capture those special moments that truly reflect your pet's personality. By following these simple tips, you'll be well on your way towards capturing amazing pet photos that owners will cherish forever.